Ate, tuwing kailan po ang exam sa food processing? Panoorin mo hanggang dulo para di ka ma-left behind. So ayan, 3 times a year ang exam. May, October at January. So this year, May 27, May 28, and 29 ang schedule. Pero wait lang, hindi ka basta-basta makapag-exam dahil gusto mo lang. May specific filing dates lang, usually 3 araw lang yun. And that is 2 months before the actual exam. This year or this May, yung filing date was March. So, ang exam is May. And take note, raffle system yan. Limited slots kasi. Kaya, kung kailan araw ng application, unang araw pa lang, go na agad para mas malaki yung chance. Tapos, di mo pa babayaran agad after raffle pa. So, pro tip, apply ka sa food service at food processing pareho. Kung pareho ka makuha, pili ka lang or gusto mo mag-take ka sa dalawa kung kaya ng brain cells mo. Mas maraming slots sa food service kasi konti lang nagtitake niyan. And super important, gumawa ka ng My Page account now na kasi approval like 7 business days. Kaya ikaw, kung TITP ka ngayon at naguguluhan ka pa sa next move mo, this might be your sign. Get those certificates. Kasi ikaw din, baka biglang may opportunity, at least ready ka na agad.